Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Wash sale loss disallowed is recovered by the addition to cost basis of identical shares. It all works out, so there should be no reason to not report wash sales or to wipe them off. If your broker is messing up the wash sale adjustment, find another broker.
Take our lead.
It should be made clear that it is not illegal to make a wash sale. It is, however, illegal to claim an improper tax benefit. Triggering the wash sale rule does not mean you lose all potential value in losing money.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.